Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per our decided session, today you are in this class of optimization technique. I will discuss about method of multipliers. And in method of multipliers, we shall discuss Lagrange's method of multiplier. Since you are a student of computer science engineering, so it is noteworthy to explain here that there are so many functions, there are so many relations that are used in your machine learning, that are used in the artificial intelligence. That is a very much important topic for today. So I hope that you should try to understand that what is Lagrange's multiplier. If you write somewhere, please note down in your copy. If you write something like x minus 2 under a small bracket into under capital bracket fx plus z is equal to 9. Then you can say here that x minus 2 is a multiplier. In someone can say that under capital bracket, under big bracket, fx plus z is also a multiplier. So in your earlier study, perhaps you have known to the fact that the selection of multiplier is generally based on the concept that after using the multiplier, a equation which is not able to give any real value or a function that is not leading to a convergent point can give you some convergent result. Remember, there was a equation in your complex number that was x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. That was x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It was not giving any really real value, but when it is multiplied by x minus 1, then it gives you x square, x minus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to 0. And finally, it gives you x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. and it gives you x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation. This gives you an equation of third degree. And by solving this, you find x is equal to 1 omega and omega square means 1 minus 1 plus root 3 iota by 2 minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. So we are not going to take here something like that as we have written here as imaginary root. Our target is to discuss only about the real result and function, because in industry, in your machine learning, we are not going to do anything hypothetical. So please come on the point. This is the Lagrange multiplier, and the method of Lagrange multipliers is a powerful technique for constant optimization. Constant optimization means optimization problem, including that Beer's sign of inequalities. The method of Lagrange multiplier is a powerful technique for constant optimization. While it has application for beyond machine learning, it has application far beyond machine learning. As it was originally developed to solve physics equations, it is used for several key derivations in machine learning. I have already discussed about this fact. The problem setup is as follows. We wish to find extrema, the maximum or the minimum value of the objective function ex is equal to e under a small bracket x1, x2, x3 up to xd. Consider this as equation 1. If we have no constant on the problem, then the extrema must necessarily satisfy the system of equation. So partial differentiation of these will be is equal to 0, which is equivalent to the writing d by d xi, as I already told you, is equal to 0. Again, you can take here gx is equal to 0 subject to the single constant. It is sometimes possible to reparameterize the problem in order to eliminate the, try to understand the meaning of this term, reparameterize the parameters, the conditions you have already said that need to be reparameterized the problem in order to eliminate the constant, as we have taken here gx is equal to 0. Given the constant gs is equal to 0 and where no perturbation in any direction change E, instead we need to find a point at which perturbation that satisfy the constant do not change E. This can be expressed in this form, like this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. If you are adding by multiplying, taking anything this, here if this is a multiplier, again you are getting this is equal to 0. But if you put this delta is equal to minus lambda like this result from this equation 4. So what you are finding? You are finding here a multiplier. In the method of Lagrange multiplier, we define a new objective function called Lagrangian. We are taking a new objective function in the format of this. The key fact of the extrema of the unconstant objective L are the extrema of the original constant problem. Students, I hope that you understand that what is the meaning of the multiplier in optimization and what is Lagrange's multiplier. This digital version 2.0 has been powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth University. And in case of any query, you should write your comment in the comment box. If you have any query, put there in the comment box. I will resolve from there. Thank you for enjoying this lecture and listening. Thanks a lot.